Hello everyone! In today's video I'll show you how to pair Polestar 2 with an Android phone. Let's get right into it. 1. To pair an Android phone with the car, first activate Bluetooth on the phone. Two. On the center display, tap the Connect your phone tile, then the Pair New Device button at the bottom of the screen. The screen should now list your phone as an available device. 3. Tap to select your phone, then tap the Pair button to confirm that the pairing codes match. You'll also need to tap OK on your phone. 4. Tap Done on the center display to allow access to your phone and media. 5. Then tap Allow twice on your phone to allow access to your contacts and messages. 6. On the center display, tap Allow to complete the pairing process. You can now make calls, send and receive text messages, play media directly through the vehicle's speakers and more. That's it. Thank you for watching and remember to subscribe.